Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an Owcrate unboxing. Got my sister here, Kira, and we're bloody stoked. I talked her into subscribing to Owcrate. So now she's gonna be on all my Owcrate unboxings, which I'm really excited for. I really wanted a friend to do these with me, so
now you'll be seeing a lot more of me once a month.
Love it, excited. So let's just go ahead and get right on into it. Okay, let's open her up. Oh, whoa.
Okay,
close it.
Sorry, it's open.
We actually already know the book that's in here, but that's not because we like actively tried to spoil it. Oh, okay, yeah. This is the spoiler card. I'm not looking at the back, but it's a girl in a white dress looking out at the sea. There is a lighthouse and it's really stormy.
So do you get a card like this every time?
A spoiler card. Because then it'll tell you what everything is from and like what it's inspired by.
Okay.
The first thing is this tea.
Oh, wasn't for me. But yes, the first thing we have is that tea.
It's by a brand called Riddle's Tea Shop. And it's inspired by, I would imagine, like, the Sea Witch book series.
Which I want to read.
We'll see. Me too. I don't have a tea, what's it called? A diffuser or whatever that you put this in.
Oh, like a little baggie and then you put it in.
Yeah, so like, I don't know when I'll be able to try this, but we'll see. I'm really hoping that this box is really good because the last couple of boxes have been so good, so I think that's another reason why I talked Kira into it.
Yes, 100%.
Next item is in this box here. It was a dark and stormy night. Wait, is this a lantern?
I think.
Cool!
Oh.
Wait, can you put a candle in it?
Yeah. Mine fell out, so
cool.
That's why it didn't work for me. Cute!
It's a lantern!
Cute.
This is a decor piece.
You can put that up in this little
And you can put a tea light in it.
And it has an owl on it. Cute.
That's really cool. I really like that. I wonder what it's inspired by. We'll have to look at it afterwards. Well, the book is right in front of me, but I already knew what it was, so. Okay, let's move on to this thing.
Just like a pencil case.
I am so alive.
I feel like it's a pencil case. The ocean will not shift me.
This?
And the cold will not take me. I think it's a pencil box.
Kira's already disappointed.
I'm not disappointed.
I'm just kidding.
I'm saying what I think it is.
But it's a dual compartment.
Oh, I didn't see that one.
I don't know what I'll use this for. I'll try and find something to use this for.
Okay. Doesn't open.
Maybe you could store Q-tips in here, you know?
ASMR.
ASMR. Okay, next item. This is bath salts.
Smells pretty good.
That smells so good. And this is inspired by The Little Mermaid because it literally says The Little Mermaid.
Now I really want to take a bath.
I know, now I'm like, how am I gonna take a bath? Okay.
Which one? I have the bookmark in here. The Sea Witches. Swatches. Excuse me. The Sea watches over me. She protects her own. That's cool.
That's a cool bookmark. Okay, so it looks like we got like we could use this as a bookmark too, this like graphic thing if you wanted to. And then yeah, here's the bookmark. It's super cute. The sea watches over me, she protects her own. And then it has like a tassel.
I'm gonna be honest, this is really cool, but I haven't used an actual bookmark since I was 12, but this is really cool.
You could use it for decoration. Yeah. Okay, then the pin is really cool. I like this pin design. It's this lighthouse. I'm trying to open mine too. I've been struggling at opening things today.
I don't think that even focused, but there's like a person.
I don't know if we're gonna get.
Yeah, sorry guys, we're trying. It's like, what's that thing that Ariel's father had? The trident?
Triton.
And then like
Trident? One of the two.
Yeah. And then like a king.
There's a feather. This, I'm sure all these three things allude to the story. And then, last but not least, the book. Whoops.
Whoa.
Whoops.
Whoa.
It is House of Salt and Sorrows. Sorrows? Yeah, multiple sorrows. I don't know what's different about this cover. We'll have to look at it. Look at this really cool like graphic like thing it comes with, and it's like holographic.
I think you're gonna say graphic tee. I don't know.
Oh, graphic tee. We do love our graphic tee.
Clearly.
This is really pretty. This is such a stunning book cover though.
It really is.
Like, it's so pretty. I'm so freaking excited. Oh, look who, Stephanie Garber.
We love her.
We love Carvel. This is a retelling of the 12 Dancing Princesses, like, fairy tale. It's like a dark retelling. And I've heard incredible things about it. I think a couple of the sisters have died, and our main character, like the last one that died, people are saying it was suicide, and our main character like doesn't believe that, so I think she's like trying to like investigate a little bit and stuff. But this is the book. I have heard amazing things. A couple of my friends here on BookTube, it's like one of their new favorite books, or they loved it so much. And look at the end pages. Like, look how pretty those are. So pretty.
That's cute that they like,
every time you get an author from the note, an author from the note, a note from the author, and a lot of times a sticker, but the last 2 boxes, instead of a sticker, they've given you like,
like
something like this. Yeah. Oh my gosh, ours is like so much prettier.
It looks like it's
like it's more turquoise. And the writing has like blue and purple on it, whereas normally the writing has, so I don't know if you can tell the difference. The Owcrate one is like super turquoise and the writing is like purple and silver. But in the original, the writing is gold, which I love gold, but I'm not complaining because I think this one is so
I think that's
pretty.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So yeah, the Little Mermaid bath salts was created by the soap librarian. Oh, the bookmark. Okay, so the bookmark is inspired by Daughter of the Pirate King, which I have not read, but I have it because I got it on Amazon for like $5. The hardback even. Okay, this lantern. The lantern. Okay, when the storm clouds close in and the night gets dark, use this pretty tea light candle lantern to light your way. It's a Team Owcrate exclusive. Be extra careful when using the lantern as it gets hot. So I don't think it's inspired by anything. It's just like inspired by the theme of the box.
Well, yeah.
Really cute though. And then it says tin pencil case.
I knew it.
Inspired by the Scorpio races, designed by Stella Bookish Art. I've never read that. I also don't know what I'll do. Like, I think it's cute. Like, if I was in high school, I'd be like, kind of cool. Or middle school, I'd be like, this is kind of cool.
Yeah, I feel like.
And the design is cute. I just don't know what I'll use it for now.
If our niece was old enough, then we could give it to her.
Yeah, that's true. She's a wee little lass though.
We haven't done the tea.
Or the tea inspired by the Sea Witch by Riddle's Tea Shop. And the pin obviously is inspired by the book. Yeah, the family crest. The tin, or the enamel pin is inspired by the House of Salt and Sorrow's book, the book we got, but it's inspired by their family crest. And it was designed by Laserbrain Patch Co.
I love someone named Patch.
Excited. Oh, we love Patch.
We love
Hush
Patch.
Hush. Don't even try us with Hush Hush. I'm just
kidding. Love that book.
This is so pretty though. Like, I'm really excited that the last couple of books has been like Owcrate exclusive, but they like just changed the color of the font of the.
But this one looks way cool.
But this is so pretty. Turquoise. Yeah.
And that's way more colorful.
I'm so down for this. I'm really excited for this too because like my friend here on BookTube, Heather from Aphrodite Reads, this is like, she hyped this up like so hardcore. Like, it's one of her new favorite books of all time.
If you look at everything.
And like, yeah, the really end pages are stunning. So pretty.
Very excited.
I came really close to buying this at Barnes & Noble's, and then I was like, I'm pretty sure that's the book that's heading in Owcrate.
She wasn't pretty sure, she knew.
Yeah, I know. I knew.
She knew it.
And then, if you care, where did it go? They announced this on their Instagram the other day, but if you care, next month's theme for the box is Fear the Night. And then it says every September box will include a paperback from the Penguin Horror Collection, so we will be getting 2 books.
Ooh.
A paperback? Yeah. It's pretty cool.
I'll take it.
I wonder if we'll get different ones. Cause it's
maybe they will.
Cause they have like 6 different books right here. That would be pretty cool.
It would be cool if they.
Yeah. If they've done that before. Ones. Do you remember like in the finale box we got different pins?
Yes.
I'm really excited though because Halloween's my favorite holiday. And I'm sure maybe both months, September and October, will be like Halloween spooky themed, and I'm so here for that.
But that'll be really exciting.
Yeah.
I mean, 2 books and everything else you're getting way more than what you pay each month for it.
So as far as ranking this box, the last 2 boxes were still my favorite, especially the one that was in June, the one that had like the Chronicles of Narnia inspired bookends.
Bookends.
And
cool.
It had a lot of cool things. But this one was pretty cool. I do want to try this if I had a diffuser.
Yeah, I mean,
the pin is really pretty.
One.
Yeah. The lantern is super cool. But I think my favorite part of the box is...
Got a big whiff of it. And it just...
That does smell really good.
It nailed it. It smells really good.
But yeah.
It was a lot at first.
I think my favorite part of the box is definitely the book.
I think the book and the bath salts. I love that.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Anything that I can get. So I'm excited for this one. I'm really excited.
And this is, you could probably get a bunch of uses out of this, I would imagine. Or maybe like at least maybe 2 or 3.
2, yeah.
Yeah.
But I think this is gonna be awesome. But I'm very excited for the book. I have been loving books that are kind of a bit like sea inspired. Oh, cute. That looks really great. So I've been loving sea inspired books.
This is also from Owcrate, but this was like 3 months ago, and it's one of my favorite things we've ever gotten from Owcrate. I've just been like super excited over the last couple of Owcrate books we've gotten.
And I'm very...
Because like Wicked Saints was, I guess that was April, but freak, that's...
Honestly, if you haven't read Wicked Saints, what are you doing? Okay, thank you. It is so
if you have read Wicked Saints and you want to just listen to people talk about it, you should watch the live show I did with Overhyped Book Club last month.
Yes, you should.
And also don't forget to read Sorcery of Thorns before August 30th, because then you can tune into our live stream on August 30th for Sorcery of Thorns for Overhyped Book Club.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
I'll be there.
Kira will be there in the comments.
Yeah. Hit your girl up, alright? No, but it was so, yeah.
And that was also a book we got for Owcrate, but Kira wasn't an Owcrate member yet. That's okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go let this light my way in the dark.
Cute.
Thanks.
Yeah, that was cute.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. If you like Kira, she's gonna be in at least 1 video a month now with the Owcrate.
Yeah.
So,
stick around.
I love that. I love having Kira in my videos. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. Have a great morning, noon, evening, day, night, whenever happens to be there watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.
Mwah.
Bye.